In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how selection sort works. Now, the first thing that we've done over here is we have created a collection and randomly inserted some values to the collection, and then we are displaying it. Finally, we are applying selection sort on that, and here we are printing out the sorted list. Now, let's see how selection sort actually works. This sort works by starting at the beginning of the array, comparing the first element with the other elements in the array. The smallest element is placed in position 0, and the sort then begins again at position 1. Now, this process continues until each position except the last position has been the starting point for a new loop. As you can see, we are making use of two loops over here. The first one is here, and then we have other one over here. The outer loop that we have moves from the first element in the array to the next to last element, whereas the inner loop that we have moves from the second element of the array to the last element, looking for values that are smaller than the element currently being pointed at by the outer loop. After each iteration of the inner loop, the most minimum value in the array is assigned to its proper place in the array. So here we're comparing it. As you can see, if outer value is pointing to the first item in the list, then the inner one is pointing to its adjacent item, and then both are compared. As you can see over here, inner is the value, and then this min that we have over here, which is currently pointing to outer, so 0. So here we are doing a comparison. If the adjacent value is less than the outermost first value, then obviously we are saying that this is the new minimum, and here we are doing the sorting. Now let's save this and run it. So here you can see the sorted value is now appearing 14, 15, 34 till 96, and top you can see the random values being displayed. So that was selection sort in C#.